The objective of Azul is to score as many points as you can by creating a beautiful tile pattern on your board. Gather 2 to 4 players and give everyone a board and a scoring cube. Then, lay out the right number of factory display pieces based on the number of players. Set 4 colored tiles on each factory display. Each player may select all the tiles of one color from any of the displays. Any unchosen tiles are moved to the center of the table, where players take turns choosing them until they're all gone. Once you've chosen your tiles, arrange them in the pattern line spaces on the left side of the board. All tiles in a pattern line must be the same color. If you run out of space, put the extras on the floor line. At the end of the round, take the rightmost tile from any completed pattern line and put it on a matching space on the wall. You get points for any tiles you move to the wall, and lose points for any tiles left on the floor line. The game ends after a player completes a horizontal row on their wall.